Did you know your water pipes can freeze and burst in just 6 hours when temperatures drop below zero? From freezing weather to high water pressure and even sneaky tree roots, burst pipes wreak havoc on homes every year. Repairs cost an average of £9,300 in the UK. But don't worry, prevention is key. Insulate your pipes, regulate your water pressure, and keep your home heated to at least 13 degrees Celsius, even if you're away. Stay prepared, protect your home, and if the worst happens, remember to act fast. Turn off the water, document the damage, and call a professional. Avoid the freeze, avoid the mess. Stay ready this winter. If you are suffering from burst pipes or water damage in your home, Oakleafe Claims are here to support you. Call our 24-hour claims helpline now on 03332 101999.